Okay, it's spring, we're outside, which means it's starting to be grilling season. I used to have a natural gas grill sitting right here, typical standard stainless steel, Napoleon, really great quality. Food was great coming off of it. I loved it, except it couldn't do some things that this can do. So I moved that out and I brought in the flat top griddle, and I am excited about this. This is a Halo 4 burner hooked up to the natural gas, and I'm thinking breakfast and bacon and smash burgers and stir fry and all kinds of tasty stuff is gonna be better on this. But there's a few things that I don't like about this thing. These silly little side shelf wing things that are on both ends, I don't like. I don't like this cart. So all the things around this, I don't like. The actual cooktop, love. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different here, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, I got started with taking these silly little side wings off that are flimsy. They don't sit level, they kind of rock back and forth. I don't like that. So now the next step is to take this cart off of here and get rid of that. This Halo 4 burner actually has little legs on the side and it can sit on a tabletop. So that's why I'm able to do this. My new Halo flat top griddle now sits on top of a stainless steel table. I got rid of the little side wings that are real flimsy and they flip down and they rattle around. They're small. I got rid of those and I got rid of the open base below and bought a stainless steel restaurant table that can go outside because it can handle the elements with a shelf below. And I just cut the legs down lower so that my cooktop height remained exactly where I wanted it. This works out really well. Now I have a big surface for all of my plates and ingredients and cooking tools and all of that. And then there's plenty of room for the cooktop itself. And then underneath, there's a nice big shelf. It's on wheels, so I can pull it out to clean behind it, push it back in. I think this is gonna serve me really well going forward. And tasty food always is better when you've got your setup dialed in. Come on now, that is a beautiful thing. Love it.